Okay, FM 101.7.
Alhaji Naziru, National Communications Officer, Emma NDC Zongo Caucus. Alhaji, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Alhaji na umpo mutu say?
Kwame yesha ya che. Na say ubiso ubisa ni umpo mutu say na wotine nea. I say wankasa wo the duty because obi eni hwa ni umpo muye.
Enu mpomu ye no enya no yesikasem na enya na se de asantikasa om se menyare so menti apo
eya one way ye se emre bi etwe mu na ebia na yare bi na acho ana bibi sa na yakasa wo mpomu ye ene esai abamboni ene numi a Ghana ko ye famu mpomu no botomu enye no na wa pomudin so enye na tete wodwen ho a wonti ase na makai
Okay, FM 101.
ono ka na ase bi emre bi etwebu wo se o man mu ayedin aba ne yere kura enwo abra na NDC e wa aban mu ane na bi hu se asema no ka ne se ampa aban bi timi ba ma aho kire etimi ma nipa efri na adwim.
Na modi press release yaba na making kind na musi His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ena aka sa seminar okochia Chief Imam Sheikh Dr. Sharabutu ena wo kan se bosha wo share na nam zongo fo so ebo no wo madi wono mo ebo share so na musi muti ya na musi mo yam shim se brims sa ayade ba sam
Kwame ne di kai wakifo ni nyina na omutie yan CCA medin chair sombo e de mawo na masifre kwan e de nchia sonko e de His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ani ya bedi chiri Madam Professor Jane Opoku-Agyeman utie nsemuna Bawumia ka ye no anka obi ka na sem se kasade chief utime kawa asem nyina asoreko na saa kasa no mo ka na wokotia obi nan so de a na eno de wo be expect say nipa no so ebeje wano na odi asema to bibia da o mampenya be de His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kasa no asemba ko kan ya me de twi mi ye the fact say zongo fo no sichire ani emu enkrofo ya de sichire ni emu ena dada mu ye fast ni ne keka ho no a wo de ma wo pe na se wo no mu awi sa asem no ena me wanwan ye se
me bajo okan we e wo no
ka wo Chief Imam no ho no se sichire ni emu issues ni ne keka ho mame me hu twiri me yie ama me hu se o mampenya be de chire Bawumia onim zongofo ena onim zongofo problem enti ena wotumi nya akokudu a wotumi ka kire Ghana fo se wasobo o problem so enti America ne sa na se me pese me de akwanya we akai o mampenya be de chire Bawumia se zongofo a wo hu mo ndero fiti emra wo mo nananom eba akrom womo amba ambehwepo womo ba ye be ye dwumaden eka Ghana ebomu na sai dwumaden no mu no na wokọ bibi ti se kokompe won kran ne ekobisa se hwan mu na eton ade wo hɔ ye be ka cho se na ye zongofo wokọ bibi ti se o kanshi won kran ha saa nso na wokọ magazine wo Kumase na obisa e be ka cho zongofo na omo ye sai dwumawu eba ne sai na dwuma na hwere wo mu ono mo be ye sichire sani awo ka kire ye sichire ne emu nkrofo eba ne se aban bi ba ya eye MPP aban ene hwe wo mo ka kire wo mo se mo na nanu bebo aye ma ye titiri kuru no na nde ye hunu mo se mo ye Ghana fo nti mo nkom kuru ekuru obi anim yaji wo moduma free wo nsem yaji wo bibia free wo nsem ama yedi wo ko back to square zero education kura no ebeye den eba wo mo esai aban policy a wo de tu zongofo so ama ne abeye kra behwe eno ntire ma zongofo ene wo mo te ho na wo mo sikire anase emo a wo mo de ba na anka wo mo ye nipa wo mo ye nkofo wo mo nim ye ewo edemunyam na esa policy no ena de zongofo ko ekiri by mo zongofo ebo wo mo humbody with the help of the NDC as a political party because you be say ade no agency mu no NDC ehun say zongofo ne mu hia titiu eye the inclusion fa wonon so betina table no so na ya decide say Ghana ye kwa ha na zongofo contribution ye NDC ND sa edu sa na mo no eso bu zongofo problem na nya ba omia nkasa no a o kasa no yenti na mekanisa kusi so say what kind emra na ye consultative assembly ye be draw 1992 constitution say yamfre wo ambetina won na chese wo ye de hye anamwa wo mo amuni ma hifie wo yamfre wo ambetina say wo ye de hye ye frɛ adehye no ye de zongofo ka ho ama zongofo were representative awo ye consultative assembly ye de draw 1992 constitution enti ya maomo wo mo dabre ene ye friend enimdie anase enimunyam a esafata wo ene ye de ama wo enti say ye ka zongo afebo a ye ka kire MPP fo ne ba umia say wo fa no Islamic Education Unit wabra ye hu say and it is rightly so say zongo fo ensure say wo mama ebekọ ye normal schools no because wo kaya na basri fo any other Christopher and na ACC schools nti do mu so say wo mo de wo mama no kwa mo be da na Christopher ye be ye the Islamic Education Unit a ye di makaranta no edani school nti wo mo teachers no a wo makaranta no e di aban teachers abaka ho na wo mo ache wo mo anne ohu akwala bi a wadi 30 years and above e wo zongo na owo university now owo the papa ya offer through the Islamic Education Unit amane wo mo so contribute to quota to the socio-economic development of our country. NDC John Dramani Mahama Breso, and I'm saying this without any fear or doubt. So, contribution of NDC in terms of infrastructure, in terms of development, BBD applying grass tests, community centers, classrooms. Nini ekeka be dia jo omampenia be de treba omyako jina kasa fadama hono ko wo sisi ajo na man Mahama ida 18 unit classroom blocks adabwa Amazon before anya schools ni bia ko na ye compete o mo nso be compete bi won ko jam football pitch an kan tire wo mo se wo mo enko su ase de bi agro omampenia na do dan kwa kufa do ni sa dia o pepa ye boxing ade ntira ne papa ama na nko ye boxing NCG mama no and or no school say on be a lawyer. I didn't see the bayan, sir. President one day. President is and the president. Yet the lawyer dear and a yet and in the and a lady president. And it's about me. I say, all of the way to see the Zongo for baby agro. I was Zongo Amayan. And into a solving problem, I have to say, I can't say, yes, you yaki. You who progress amount for be. You who Nimdia, yet a mount. So once would the president and as a minister and as a or the Ubia also contributed to the socio-economic development of our country. Ye almost a free me. Into Sabana Sanwa, ye NDC for ye say, don't go for Omoka Yahu, they are at par. One more group of people are one way three. Yani womu and a bakabumu, they are queening, they are contribute to now a duamu soon soa, ye the amount of senior fata. Na yen free.
Na mami mi sawe mampania be de che Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia o kanu wo kan niam ba ko se one aban ba ye nam so dwini zongo hunti wa se da yi minister emua de ma wo ye ni ye ni minister Mustafa Hamid we no de ama zongofo now anyesa ono nko a wasa set Zongo Development Fund esa ede aka ho afei yete sesese kra Arabic teachers no a omo kire ye zongofo ade no omo sua karatu ni ade no wo nyina nso no yetua wo ka kama apart from that no okeka niam ba eno no enye bibia eye anamontu e kire se oh aban yi adwe zongo
yo we da say kwame anamontu eye anamontu pa no se nipa no tu aye bonaba so onsan so enkonko kai sankofo no se waye bibia eye soronko mo ankasa muni so nya meka no sende ba omi ade nam e na wo kan that say bibia to tiba ankan nkofo ne wo so mu hu say yaye bibia ma wo ni edi kan se wo ka say yaye Ministry of Zongo Development maybe try me bita ye nyina ye papa despite o si OKFM no on the machines any speakers ni gu ho na nipa to say wo eni ho embo nyum enkasa enye bibia na radio station wo ho
o de bi eni ho
correct o ko Ministry of Zongo Development ko bisa say sika no wo de call say akọhuma sika ye de be ma mo de be eduma for the for 4 years o because so mo nya ho 10%. 4 years sika no mo de call amra no brado say anka afi we ye be hia sika say na ya ye say o mo nya mo 10%. We asema make a parliamentary record e wo ko parliament outside mu abia minister nankasa be kan ye sika no mu hia wo mu entumi enya inti ministry no e wo keke
na me bo na
free to say senior na make come as wo ko fadama sisi e zungu wo ko hu 18 unit 3 story 18 unit classroom block na fadama for chance e bibie na yembie ye san say Jonabani Muhammad siye na wako obi fie say fie mu no nyina awo potem ho nyina we si to public toilet and say toilet seat near ba ko pe kete wakusi ama ho nti why ade. Is that how progressive the country is becoming? Maybe say also why Ministry of Zongo Development Fund sikasen and the area to mu and a side fund no den in first one and year free because now Kazongo for under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama the same for Dama. What quine that for Dama send a be a quine one ne Obia sorry the chief imam's residence has become a political maker. Obia a COVID situation. Quine a year, Rollins the first yes, I know that John Dramani Mahama betrayed a year. This is the contribution in the Zongo. Woko, your friends say Abuso Kai Zongo, Woko Sukura, Woko Nima, Gata Dear Woho, Fine Dear Woho, that your friends say even the nursery school, Woha, Yoko friends say Nima Manua, Womoko Nima Market, and Kwalani Kuskunti, your friends who could see. Your friends say nursery, Emma, Woman, Omo bedroom, Kwalano Kotina school, Akusia, the way, and you'll be on train who say, won't over by the canoe. And yes, I would get the better witchery. No, Okonya need we are what a Ketuama witchery. They do the canoe. Namu in Amako. The time you see education is the key. That contribution, and a yen, Yaye, Amazon before, Aman, yeah, Kasa, Milso, Amazon, Minyabika. I'm a Ghana 40. I'm a young say, yes, we young social contribution to the socio-economic development of our country is enormous. Now, why you wait, and I will say, what they do in Ghana for, don't go for, that may be said, and Mara not don't go for, yeah, Haji. Now, Yakotla, Ewa, Ewiamu, I want to obey Donso, I want to obey Jawanai, I want to obey Da, I want to obey Didi. Not to say inhumane treatment, I have my don't go for, and say, Womo, Stomono. Emma, Omudidiano, Emma, Womo, Equa Hajo. And you don't the money, Mahama, and Bestiaro. What and Munyama Brea Womu, you be a Hajj village. Maybe such a Emra Sung near 1 center, teaching bench. Then you know, a bank cry, at the fact a plane, Equa Hajo. And you don't the money, Mahama, expanded Tamale Airport. Edema Womu, Emma Ne, Womoko, and Asumje, and Michie, any, your friends say, respect me. And on the money, Mahama, or the Zongo Development Fund, Miss Remy Busa, say, and the Wushasa and Baku more than 40 years, Womoko, Cuba. Teaching so, Munko Sian Senia, Islam Gideon, Wabazongo, Islam, one and a dog. Woman percent ma at the Shem, and then Mother Shemba, it teach you, I will, now would dear wounds and someone in a Chicago. And he joined the money mamma to an among Efan Baku more than 40. Ekwo so munko hia na omo bia omo be gynecology ye di omo akozo okozungu ni mu no kofa qualified people it can say NDC has built the infrastructure with the Islamic education unit and then omo so to go universities omo be to doctors ayeyi wa ye wen ni navy ama wo de aba ama Ghana for enya ho mfaso ene odi Zongo Development Fund na yeye nti bi bisa say Zongo Development Fund Zongo Ministry na ne nyina no ada ne white elephant no mfaso ben ena Zongo for free mu for a toilet ba ko 1 toilet 1 seater toilet eno ne mfaso eni mkwase akese se ya bedum pempeso bi a na ba mi ade esan bebi a ote a oye owo ne comfort zone no ofi se Ghana fo nyina no sabe ye fi se agro bi na ye bi na Zongo fo nim de ekoso ya pese ka kire ba mi ase NDC ama ye ne mu bi kwan ama ya kenkan ya ko itire ya ba bedum pempeso bi a ye nso ye fi se we deserve our pound of flesh in the national cake of this country. In the year time, some any easy cheap talks, and a Zongo for other shells, Edia Bibi Soko. Zongo for so money NDC needs on the man Muhammad. Thank you. What's I be Bisro, Wasa, or Bar, as Zongo for Prophet Muhammad, I catch a woman say, and maybe a dream was say, what they to me a share and bar somewhere. Now, one boy on my winning in Arno. Zongo for person who tested John Yabazay, a stamina prophet Rikaya. No moon send a Ghana Bekun with the appointment of Professor Jen Nana Jibai. Into a Maya crowd, and Yen Yabamia Air Cano Mubiti. Yen Yabaka Chen say, Yen Yaman Penny, His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Kupadu. Akatro Bibia, Titu, one more Mokasamanu. Sa yakasa na mode someone some patase obehwe yan akatre en say ye sitire any emu efo no omunjai na ye comparative analysis of John Dramani Mahama Bresu any omu domia ye ban say Nanado Abresu na ye hunu nipa odi Ghana sika aboa Ghana fo ama Ghana enya kanko eno ena ebeya ye guso a ye
who say victory ba ma NDC about to between
Medase.
Medase, okay, 101.7 Sunni. Alhaji Naziru, National Communications Officer for the NDC, Zongo Caucus. Any train common.
Okay, FM 101.7.